I am an African. I belong to the hills and valleys, the mountains and glades, the rivers, the deserts, the trees, the flowers, the seas and the ever-changing seasons that define the face of our native land. All this I know and know to be true because I am an African. My body has frozen in our frost and in our latter-day snows. It has thawed in the warmth of our sunshine and melted in the heat of the midday sun. I know that none dare challenge me when I say, I am an African. The fragrances of nature have been as pleasant to us as the sight of the wild blooms of the citizens of the veldt, the dramatic shapes of the Drakensberg, the soul-colored waters and of the Likoa, Aikili, Nothukila, the sons of the Kolagadi. Today it feels good to be an African. All this I know and know to be true because I am an African. At times, and in fear, I have wondered whether I should concede equal citizenship of our country to the leopard and the lion, the elephant and the springbok, the hyena, the black mamba and the pestilential mosquito. A human presence among all this. I know that none dare challenge me when I say, I am an African. I am an African. I owe my being to the koi and the sun, whose desolate souls haunt the great expanses of the beautiful Cape. I am the grandchild of the warrior men and women that Hinsa and Sekokun led. The patriots that Setshweo and Mfefu took to battle. The soldiers Mushweshwe and Goengoinian taught never to dishonor the cause of freedom. All this I know and know to be true because I am an African. My mind and my knowledge of myself is formed by the victories in our African crown, our victories from Isandwana to Khartoum, as the Ethiopians, as the Ashanti of Ghana, and as the Babas of the desert. I know that none dare challenge me when I say, I am an African. I am an African. I am born of the peoples of the continent of Africa. The pains felt by the people of Liberia, Somalia, the Sudan, Burundi, and Algeria is a pain I also bear. All this I know and know to be true because I am an African. I am an African. Whatever the setbacks of the moment, nothing can stop us now. Whatever the difficulties, Africa shall be at peace. Nothing can stop us now. However improbable it may sound to the skeptics, Africa will prosper, whoever we may be, whatever our immediate interest, however much we carry baggage from our past, however much we have been caught by the fashion of cynicism and loss of faith in the capacity of the people. Nothing can stop us now. Let us hear today and say, nothing can stop us now. I know that none dare challenge me when I say, I am an African. I am an African. Today it feels good to be an African. It feels good to be an African. Today it feels good to be an African. I am an African. I am an African.